Hi! Smart Content saves you time and effort by automatically tagging images with relevant keywords when they're uploaded. In addition to these smart keywords, Smart Content also offers smart authoring by analyzing text fields in a content item for keywords and recommending assets relevant to your text without having to do your own keyword searches separately. This lets you easily find the right asset right when you need it. Smart Content must be enabled in your repository by someone with permissions to do so, and is typically enabled by default. If you are an administrator, you can verify it is enabled by clicking Assets in the Administration area of the side menu, making sure Repositories is selected, and opening the repository you want to use. Scroll to verify that Smart Content is enabled. If you don't have access to the administration area and don't think Smart Content is enabled, check with your system administrator. When Smart Content is enabled, you can upload multiple images and they are tagged with relevant keywords automatically, regardless of how the images are titled. A keyword search then displays relevant tagged images and suggests additional smart keywords that may help. Clicking a smart keyword brings images tagged with both words closer to the front of the result list and displays additional images tagged with the added keyword. To use smart authoring, create a content item and enter your text. Click Select under the Image section of your content item to see all images in the repository, then click Recommendations for You. Smart Authoring analyzes the text field in the item for keywords and recommends assets relevant to your text. That's it! Select an item or use the smart keywords to refine your search.